Hello everyone, here is the new issue of product installation instructions. Today we are going to introduce a knob latches, which belongs to the B series of our products, numbered -1701, and is a push-to-close latch. Simple installation, multiple drive options, quick action to open and close door panels, and flexible locking options make these compact push-close latches a user favorite for a variety of enclosures. This is the drawing. Cut out. Material and surface treatment instructions. Usage scenario. It can not only be used for golf carts, but also for marine toolboxes, glove box, radio boxes, electronic boxes, recreational vehicles, yachts, motorcycle saddles, industrial enclosures, and so on. Next is the finished product diagram, and by rotating it, we can see the details of the product. Next, the product will be disassembled, which will include the following parts: a stainless steel washer, a lock body, and a pull ring. During installation, we will use an acrylic plate as the mounting plate, and then install the parts step by step in sequence. When using, we will default to the lock state at this time. Turn the key counterclockwise 180 degrees to open the lock. Press the button and pull outward to open it. If you want to close it, you can do the opposite. We have more styles for you to choose from. Knob latches: vertical without lock, vertical with lock, parallel with lock, parallel without lock. You can find our products on our official website or in our catalog by searching for -1701. If you have any questions about our products, you can visit our website www.fron.com or send email to info@fron.com. We look forward to providing you with valuable services.